Hey guys, it's John Manzano here. I hope you guys are doing well today or tonight, wherever you are. In today's topic, we're going to talk about Write with AI on the Facebook app. So what it does is like ChatGPT, all right? So you can write AI writing. Basically, you upload a photo first, right? And you can actually ask Facebook app to, write caption, like inspiration, like to fix your grammar. And sort of like that. So now I'll show it to you how it works in the app. So basically this is new. I think I've actually discovered this last week, if I'm not mistaken. Let me know if you have this feature, but let's get to it. So as I said earlier, I'll show it to you here the Facebook app, how it works, how to write with AI in the app. So first things first, we're going to upload a photo. All right, we're going to pick, let's say, probably, I don't know, a lot of photos here, maybe probably just this one. All right, just for the example. So on the top it says what's on your mind. Yes, so as soon as I write something, let's say what a day, right, you can see Write with AI on the left corner on the top, and it says fixed grammar, longer, shorter, professional, funny, heartfelt, inspirational. All right, so what I'm going to do is to choose Write with AI. Now, obviously here, it says try and make it exciting. So make it exciting. Okay, sure. We're just gonna follow that for now, okay? So I'm gonna click that arrow button and it will generate some caption for you to write instead of you writing yourself. So it says here you have three options. On an incredible day, this day has been off the charts. Today has been nothing but short of amazing. So you can also fix grammar, longer, shorter, as I said, and then you can simply insert this. You can simply insert that and it will just automatically insert for you. After that, you can just press next and you can post this. You can also ask, AI to fix your grammar. Let's say, what a good day today. All right, I'm just going to type that because I want the AI to fix my grammar, I guess. So let's see. So here we go. So we have what a good day today. It's a beautiful day today. Today is looking great so far. Obviously, this is, I think, new and probably not a lot of you have this feature. If you have this feature, let me know. All right, cheers. Bye.